What if AI is making hiring smarter, but simultaneously making the entire labor market weaker? That sounds contradictory. But according to new research from Stanford, that's exactly what may be happening. And the implications go far beyond recruiting. They could fundamentally change how companies build teams, identify leaders, and compete in the AI era. Let's start with a farm. Imagine planting only one crop. At first, everything looks great. Higher efficiency, standardized processes, predictable outcomes. But then a disease appears. And because every plant is genetically identical, the entire field becomes vulnerable. This is called a monoculture. Agriculture learned this lesson decades ago. Now AI may be creating the same phenomenon in hiring. Researchers at Stanford analyzed millions of candidates and millions of job applications. Their discovery was surprisingly simple. As more employers use the same AI assessment and screening systems, they begin making increasingly similar hiring decisions. The same candidates get selected repeatedly. The same candidates get rejected repeatedly. And these effects compound across the labor market. The researchers call this an algorithmic monoculture. Most conversations about AI hiring focus on bias, but algorithmic monocultures are different, even if a model is relatively accurate, even if it performs better than humans. The system can still become fragile. Why? Because innovation requires diversity. Historically, different companies value different things. One company might reject a candidate, another might see extraordinary potential. Those differences created opportunity. AI systems increasingly reduce those differences. The labor market begins converging around a single definition of talent. Here's the paradox. A. I can improve individual decisions while simultaneously making the overall system worse. Think about venture capital. The reason VCs make many investments is because nobody knows where the next breakthrough will come from. The same is true for talent. The next transformational founder, executive, or inventor rarely looks obvious at first. If every company uses the same AI logic, fewer unconventional people get opportunities. And fewer unconventional people means fewer breakthroughs. So, what is the alternative? The answer may be algorithmic biodiversity. Instead of one model, multiple models. Instead of complete automation, human AI collaboration. Instead of optimizing only for accuracy, optimizing for adaptability. The future isn't just about finding the best candidate. It's about ensuring the system continues discovering unexpected talent. The biggest risk of AI isn't that it replaces human judgment. The biggest risk is that it standardizes it. Because when every company thinks the same, hires the same, and promotes the same, innovation slows. The organizations that thrive in the AI era won't simply have better algorithms. They'll have more diverse intelligence, human and artificial. working together, and that may become the ultimate competitive advantage of the next decade.